Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Eman. I'm so excited about today's look, you guys, because it is all about beautiful, glowy, peachy vibes, which are perfect for the summer season. I'm also going to be showing you guys the brand new Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara, which is amazing. And I want to say thank you to Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video. All right, let's get into this look. So I am starting with a fresh, clean face. And like always, I want to do a little bit of priming on my skin just to prep my skin before I do anything else. So I am using two different primers from Laura Mercier. The first one is the Hydrating Primer. I really like this because it just kind of gives extra moisture to your skin. When you apply this, it's going to make your skin feel plump and juicy. So when you put the foundation on, it'll just melt right on. I'm also using the Radiance Primer on top of that, but I'm using this one more in just kind of key areas like the top of my cheekbones. This is going to give us that beautiful glow from within. So it's going to give a glow underneath our foundation in the most natural, beautiful way. For foundation today, I'm going to be mixing two different foundations. I'm mixing a more radiant foundation and one that is a bit more matte. I like doing this when I kind of want that super glowy skin, but because I still get very oily, having a glowy radiant foundation with a matte one gives me the perfect combination. I love mixing products in general. You can mix pretty much everything. So feel free to mix different foundations if you want together. Mix concealers, mix whatever you want, just so you can get the perfect formula that you like, that works for you. For concealer, I'm going to show you guys one of my favorite tricks to do. So I'm using the Laura Mercier Flawless Fusion Ultra Longwear Concealer in the shade 1C. This has a really nice pink undertone to it. I love using this shade first because it really counteracts any of the discoloration, any of those blue tones, those purple tones. The pink really gets rid of that. So I use a tiny bit of the pink and then I go over it with my actual shade. And I'm the shade 2C. So this has more of a yellow undertone to it. And this is going to give us all of that beautiful brightness underneath the eye area and just give us a glow in the center of our face. To set my makeup, I'm going to be using the Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder Glow. So I have talked about this powder before in the past and I forgot how much I love this powder. You guys are going to see why in just a second. It literally gives the most gorgeous finish to the skin. It's a loose powder, so it sets your makeup, but it has a very subtle glow to it. So it doesn't make your skin look really dull. You know how like matte powders can make your skin look dull? This doesn't do that. This instead gives your skin the most beautiful sheen, but it just looks super natural. So I'm using the translucent shade to set. And then another trick I like to do is I like to take the medium deep shade in the glow powder and use that as my bronzer all over the face. So again, this just gives the most gorgeous glow to the skin, but just looks super, super natural. And this medium deep color is the perfect bronzer color. Okay, I'm gonna quickly do my brows off camera. And there we go, we're back. So for the cheeks, I'm using this beautiful peach shade. This is the Laura Mercier Blush Color Infusion in the shade Peach. It's so pretty, you guys. It gives just such a nice warm tone to the skin. And what I love to do, which is what's going to make this look super monochromatic, is taking that blush color and applying it on my lids. So just applying that color all over the lid, up to the crease and past it. And you guys can see it literally just makes my eyes pop instantly. Next, I'm taking the Rose Gold Caviar Stick, which is this beautiful shimmery champagne color, and popping that right in the center of my lid. It gives this gorgeous like little glimmer glow to your eyes. And I'm adding a little bit to the inner corner as well. Then just with my finger, I am taking the Laura Mercier Face Illuminator Highlighting Powder in the color Devotion. This is a really pale, shimmery color, and popping that On top of the caviar stick we just applied, this is going to make the highlight stand out even more, but having the cream underneath is what's going to really make it pop. So I don't want to line my eyes because I really want all these beautiful shimmery shadows and the peach to really come through, but I want to give my lashes a bit of volume. So one of my favorite ways to do that is I'm using the caviar stick in the shade Coco, which is a dark brown, and I'm just smudging that into my lash line. So instead of drawing an actual liner, I'm just kind of giving the base of my lashes some density and volume. So it's going to make your lashes look fuller. I use the caviar stick in the color Amythest, has this purple undertone to it, and I use that on my lower lash line and my waterline. To finish off the eyes, I'm using the brand new mascara from Laura Mercier, the Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. This mascara is going to give your lashes a ton of volume without clumping, which is one of my favorite things in a mascara. It has this really cool helix shaped brush, so you can basically weave it in between your lashes to evenly coat every lash and give volume without getting any smudging, clumping, or flaking. It gives your lashes a full 360 degrees panoramic effect. And I love that with the shape of this brush, because you can kind of get in there and coat every lash, it gives your lashes this really fanned out, wide-eyed effect. So if you guys are looking for a great mascara to try, and as you can see, it makes my eyes look so full, you could check it out now at Sephora or lauramercier.com. All the info will be in the description box below. Now it's time to finish off our skin, and this is probably one of the most important parts of this look. It's adding highlighter so we can get the most perfect glow to the skin. So I'm using the Face Illuminator highlighting powder one more time, but this time I'm using the shade Addiction, which has more of a gold undertone to it. And I'm using this all over, you guys. Do not be scared of the highlighter. Just go for it, because this look is really about that. And we've prepped our skin and made it as smooth as it can be. So this highlighter is just gonna glide right on. And it's all about glowy skin for this look. So just go for it with the highlighter. I'm adding it to the top of my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, my chin, on top of my eyebrows, anywhere really that kind of when you turn your head, it's gonna pick up and reflect the light. It's time for the lips, the last step of this look, and I'm using the Hazelnut Tea Longwear Lip Liner from Laura Mercier to line my lips. This is a really pretty, soft nude color. I'm not gonna fill in. Instead, I'm just kind of squishing my lips together just to get that product around and move it around, because I don't want my lips to be too dark. I'm going over that with this super peachy gloss. This is the Bellini Lip Glacé from Laura Mercier. It's the most beautiful color. It has all of these warm undertones to it. It matches the blush, it matches the eyes. So this is the perfect color for this look. And to give that super, super glossy effect, I'm going right just in the center of my lips. I'm using the Laura Mercier Lip Glacé in the shade Sparkling, which is more of a champagne color. And this is gonna give that little bit of a shimmery glow right to the center, just like the same way we have on our eyes. I'm recreating that on my lips. That is the completed look for this peachy, glowy makeup, perfect for summer. I want to say another thank you to Laura Mercier for sponsoring this video. You guys have to check out this mascara. I'm going to link it for you in the description box below, along with all the other products that I used. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and come back for a brand new makeup tutorial every week. And also add me on Instagram at Eman, because I post there every day. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you love this tutorial. Leave me your comments below. I always love reading them, and I will see you guys very soon with a brand new video.